Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Series-1052 platform for QIP discussion. Question number 76. Incorrectly spelled word. Committee is correct. Outcome is correct. Intervention is correct. But questionnaire spelling is wrong because you should use double N. Actually, double N must be used, double N. So that's why questionnaire is wrong answer. So definitely A is your answer, questionnaire. Next, select the correctly active form of the given sentence. A terrible disaster was witnessed by our country. This is passive. So our country witnessed a terrible disaster. Our country witnessed a terrible disaster. C is passive voice of the question A. So passive इसका C होगा. Third question, select a option which will a given group of words. Fail to notice, ignore, condone an offense, etc. Overlook, नजरअंदाज करना. Overlong का मतलब too long, too long. And overly means excessive. Overly means excessive. EXCE or just like a overly means at the top of something. So answer is overlook. Next question, the following sentence has been one of them contain an error. He knows that, for example, just like he knows that he has no other option, but is wrong answer. He has no other option. He has no other option, but in place of but you have to use then. Then must be. So but is wrong here. Next question, cudgel one's brain to think hard, not to think, to overthink, thinking no, not to think wrong, to overthink no, to think hard. बहुत ही बल किसी चीज पर बल देना. And this is the question. When I was your age, I was working 2 jobs to provide for my family. No improvement, no substitution is required. The sentence is absolutely correct. So this is the correct sentence. इसमें क्योंकि provide for का मतलब ही होता है अपने फैमिली के लिए कुछ कहता है. जब मैं यंग था, when I was your age, I was working 2 jobs. 2 काम कर रहे थे to provide for my family. अपने फैमिली को सपोर्ट करने के लिए फाइनेंशियल. तो no substitution. Next sentence contains a spelling error. So very easy to cover. This one is a wrong spelling. This is also wrong spelling. This is also wrong spelling. The correct spelling is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is the correct spelling. This one is the correct spelling. So D. Horse, river horse कहते हैं hippopotamus को. Antonym of bulk. Bulk means huge, large, तो handful. A staple means cheap. A staple का मतलब CHIEF, cheap. Heavy, burnt, very easy. Next, she frankly confessed that she couldn't purchase a car then. She couldn't afford, मतलब bear नहीं कर सकती है परचेज करने के लिए. तो afford is correct answer. Spend means खर्च करना, बिताना. stand भी नहीं. tolerate means बर्दाश्त करना. Next, the photographer's artful means clever, cunning. Artful means cunning. CUNNING. Cunning is the meaning. So we must use opposite meaning. Antonym. So antonym is candid. Candid means honest and frank. Candid means honest and frank. And friendly, mitravat, harmonious. Amid means among, के बीच में, in the middle of. And inimical, hostile. What's the meaning of inimical? Hostile. 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 So that's about this question. Now, The blind man said to me, can you help me cross the road? To me must be changed. Here you must be changed according to me. So that's a very important. So the blind man asked me if I changed, so could help him cross the road. So A is correct answer. B is wrong. Why? Because will is used. C is wrong. Why? Because could help him crossed is used. So that is wrong. The blind man asked me if I can. Here is can. So D is also wrong. So only one A option is the correct according to the question. Next, select the most appropriate. One has to be persistent in studies. If she wants to get her dream job, success will remain unattainable if one studies by fits and starts. By fits and starts means irregularly, not regularly, erratic. The meaning is erratic. ERRATIC, not regular. That's why your answer is D. Root and branch means completely, entirely. The 3R means rescue, recycle and reuse. So this is ups and downs means utar chadhav. So your answer is D. Up next, select the option that can be one word substitute. A room where dead bodies are kept until burial. Mortuary is your answer. What's the meaning of sanatorium? A place where sick person is kept for well-being, for good health. स्वास्थ्य में सुधार के लिए हम सैनिटोरियम में जाते हैं. और म्यूजियम आपको पता ही है, सफारी पता ही है. नेक्स्ट, express the active. The important points were narrated in the class by the teacher. This is passive. So now active. The teacher was narrating narrated. So the teacher had Here was narrating. Actually here is was narrating. So wrong. Important. The teacher had narrated. Wrong. The teacher narrated the important points in the class. The teacher narrated the important points in the class. So C is correct answer. In the class, the important points were narrated. This is also wrong. Next, she became frustrated with her poor health. And began to lose hope. Hope is correct here. Because आशा खोना for her recovery. Weight means वजन, money रुपया पैसा, idea विचार. Next, 91. She has a habit of spending, not against. Against is wrong here. So spending against is wrong. Simply spending. No use of against. AGAINST. No use of against. Next, the action of damaging the good reputation of someone. Defamation. Defame करना. Defame से defamation. बदनाम करना. Repute को damage करना. To damage the repute. To damage the repute. To repute of someone. That is the meaning. And degeneration, पतन होना, धीरे धीरे खराब होना. Defection, दल बदल. Defection means दल बदल. And delegate, प्रतिनिधि मंडल. So that's your answer is defamation. Next, rearrange the parts of the sentences in order. So you should go for first what? First for an eruption of the volcano Anak Karnataka. Incorrect order. In December, this is your starting point. Intro. This is intro. So now the first. This one is the first. An eruption of the volcano. Thereafter P. Thereafter, P. An eruption of the volcano on Karnataka caused landslide that, and QP then R triggered a tsunami in the Sunda and killed more than him. So this is the C answer. Next, antonym the loyal. Loyal means very ardent, ardent supporter, meaning very faithful. So opposite is fickle. Fickle is opposite. Unstable, disloyal, unpredictable. Ardent, staunch. Ardent means fervent. Ardent means fervent. 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 And a stupid, you know, a stupid means very foolish, and tragic, dukhant. Next, antonym of the underlined one, ravaged, demolished, to destroy completely. So opposite is restored. Opposite is restored. Sealed, बंद कर देना, demolish, नष्ट कर देना, destroy कर देना. Now close test. In recent years, the rapid growth of technology has led to a what? Has led to a drastic means huge, massive, drastic shift. Drastic, D-R-A-S-T-I-C, drastic shift in how business operate. Companies now need to adapt to the changing environment and constantly implement new strategy to stay ahead of the competition. This shift is particularly evident, clear in the emerging industries. In the emerging, third में emerging, E-M-E-R-G-I-N-G, 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 emerging industries, where traditional methods are becoming obsolete, outdated, and innovation is the key to survival. अगर नया चीज करते हैं तो आप survive कर सकते हैं. However, the pace of change can often be fourth. Can often be overwhelming. Can often be overwhelming, leaving many businesses struggling to keep up. As a result, some companies have resorted to more pragmatic approaches. P-R-A-G, pragmatic, M-A-T-I-C. Pragmatic means practical. Pragmatic approaches means practical approaches. So that's all about pragmatic. Overwhelming is third, means a strong way में, और last is pragmatic. Pragmatic means practical. Why not? Aggressive means very violent and attacking mood. Conservative, not ready to change, and traditional, conventional. So the answer must be pragmatic. That's all about the discussion of QIP. Thank you very much for this discussion.